resemble? Do we look like each other at all?
No.
Open your eyes big. Do a smile. Or I'll try and make your face. Do we look like each other?
No.
A little bit? A little bit?
No. We don't.
That was my eldest son. Now this is my baby son, who I think is going to be Mama's twin. What do we think? Is Huckleberry going to look more like Mama? My older children, Tom and Zinnia, are 11 and 9, and a big part of my job is to play taxi mama. So I've been delivering them about, and now Huckleberry, baby Huckleberry and me are going to go to the Goodwill, which is good for my mental health. Raise your hand in the comment section if you are like me and there is just nothing more soothing than thrift shopping. Thrift shopping soothes my soul. It's guilt-free shopping. A, it's not that expensive. You're not wasting a lot of money. B, it's eco-friendly. There's no new materials being consumed. You can just get whatever you want. And I love it. And I love going through it. And I love the smells and the sights. And I go into a little flow state where I'm going through the things. So yes, it is good for this mama to go thrift shopping. Alright, so this is what I got from the thrift store. This is like the tiniest little shirt. This is gonna be just for home. I don't think I'm gonna wear this out, but also this skirt. Let me get way far back. I really feel myself entering a phase of like mid-calf length skirts, like below the knee but not all the way long, because they're really great for holding babies and getting down and getting up, and yeah, so I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy with these pockets. I'm gonna wear this skirt pretty much everywhere but gardening because it has white stripes, which means I pretty much just go to the library, maybe the grocery store. Now I'm going to try to start going out more places, and now I have something nice to wear. And then Huckleberry picked himself up an outfit as well. He got a little tank top and some little tie-dye pants. He's gonna look so cute. You know what's really hard to find at thrift stores is shirts for babies like 0 to 3 months, because they're all in onesies, and onesies work great with disposable diapers, but the way onesies come up, they just don't work good with cloth diapers. Like they'll like go into the crease of the cloth diaper and like get wet. Like it's just like t-shirts, little t-shirts, or if it's winter, little long sleeve shirts suit the cloth diaper child. The onesies that snap at the crotch, not so good. I've been cutting off his onesies to use them just as t-shirts. So when I go thrift shopping, I definitely have something like a list. I have a list in my notebook, and then I have, you know, the list in my mind. Oftentimes when I make lists in my notebooks, it's just to like help me remember. Not necessarily I'm going to read the list, but making the list helps my brain understand it's an important thing. So like I try to get us the things that we need and can use when we go to the thrift store. So like, yeah, baby shirts was on my list, and this was the only one that would fit him in the store, and it was the good baby clothes location of Goodwill too. So yeah, and these are gonna be cute. So good day, teensy weensy little thrift haul here. I'm feeling myself in this outfit. Y'all, I tried it with this shirt and I liked it so much. I had to come show y'all this outfit because it is amazing. I feel so good in this outfit. All right, so we worked really hard to fix up this house and move into it. And now that it is fixed up and we have moved into it, I was enormously crazy pregnant. And then I've had a newborn since then. But it's time to finish up some decorating. You know, the living room looks pretty cool, but we've got some stuff we need to unpack. We need to tidy up. The rabbit's still living in here. I don't like the rabbit cage in here. But I have this shelf that needs to be hung on the wall. And it needs to be hung really sturdy. Obviously, it's heavy. And then I can unpack some of our doodads and knickknacks and, you know, that kind of stuff.
And that's why I'm here, to lift that thing.
He's going to help me. Y'all, we have really tore this living room apart. But that's part of decorating. Yeah, the shelf is so heavy, this wall shelf. And now that we have a little baby,
yeah, we can't have that falling.
if that falls, it'll kill him. So
if it doesn't kill him, and if it falls and it doesn't hit him, it'll give him shell shock.
Yes, me too.
Bang.
We're gonna have to. I'm gonna try sitting it on the rock wall and then screwing it to the wall so it doesn't tip over, but it'll be supported. So maybe it'll be a nice little shelf. I'm gonna see what it looks like. I don't know if it's gonna look good or not, but here we go. Okay, we really got to get unpacked, but getting this shelf out will be part of getting unpacked. It's a place to put things.
Shelf will go?
I think it'll look good right there, and we can put like plants on the top of it because there's that little porthole light.
This thing is weird. It's not easy to lift.
No, I think we made the right choice not putting it on the wall.
I can lift it one-handed, but for how inconvenient.
I think it's gonna look good.
It's just inconvenient and falling apart. But,
Whoop.
ow. And that's why you wear shin guards.
And then I can screw it to the wall.
It's leaning forward.
Yeah.
There it is.
You know, that might work. We can put things on top of it and inside of it.
Handedly.
Now I got John over here evaluating the situation.
See, John.
I just don't think it's gonna be safe hanging up on the wall. But if we put it there and then screw it, we can put like plants on top of it, vases, put things inside of it.
See, John.
Yeah, I think that'll be fine.
I can lift it with one hand, but I don't think a little nail in the wall is gonna work for that thing.
Yeah.
It's like at that heavy point. Well, it's not heavy for a human being, but a thin piece of metal and some drywall, yes.
Where you attach it.
This is ridiculous, but I don't like it. I think we just have to get rid of it. I got it at the Goodwill for $7 because it looks really good. I like the look of a shelf that you could hang like that, but it's too heavy. It's too heavy. So. right, that's the one box down. Now I got little doodads. I got my lovely little doodads up. Making a scene here on the mantle. Gotta do something with John's bird seed bag. And just what I like to see, an empty box.